Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the tutorial on sky replacement on Epik Photo Editor. So for this edit, you need to provide a photo with sky on it, and you need to make sure that the sky is visible. Like this photo I added to Epik, and what you need to do next is you can just go to effects and here click on the sky effects, and under the sky category there are so many options that you can choose: clear, sunshine, sunrise, sunset, rainbow, pink, aurora, meteor, stella, night, lightning, silhouette, and galaxies. So you can just choose which one that fits your need the most. For example, I want to use night. Just click on the effects and it will be changed accordingly, and you can just choose which one that you think fits your photo the best. For example, I'm going to just choose sunset, and then here you can just adjust the effect. You can adjust the opacity, the age you need to, and then you can also adjust the filter like this. And here is the before and here is the after. If you're done, just click on this arrow here to save your photo to album. Okay guys, so that is how the sky replacement tutorial on Epik. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.